A seasoned pediatrician reveals 5 surprising tips that go beyond feeding and sleeping to boost a baby's daily resilience. First, introduce daily tactile variation with safe textures like satin, cotton, and silicone to strengthen sensory processing and spark early curiosity. Second, mirror play and gentle social exposure help bobbies recognize emotions earlier and build secure attachment through responsive interactions. Third, optimize sunlight exposure for circadian rhythm while protecting delicate skin to improve nighttime sleep consistency and daytime alertness. Finally, create tiny, predictable routines that empower caregivers, reduce decision fatigue, and cultivate a calm, confident daily rhythm.